Sponges. Those seemingly simple, squishy creatures clinging to rocks underwater. You might picture them as solitary, sedentary beings, passively filtering water. But the truth is far more fascinating. Sponges have a surprisingly complex and social life, defying their primitive appearance. Contrary to popular belief, sponges aren't just solitary filter feeders. Many species engage in sophisticated chemical communication and even form complex social structures. Imagine a silent underwater city teeming with activity, though the citizens are vibrant, porous masses rather than bustling fish. Sponges achieve this communication through the release of a bewildering array of chemicals into the surrounding water. These chemical signals act like a complex language, allowing them to communicate about threats, food availability, and even potential mates. A sponge releasing a particular chemical might signal the presence of a hungry sea star, prompting nearby sponges to initiate defensive strategies like producing toxins or altering their growth patterns. This chemical chatter isn't just about immediate survival. It also plays a crucial role in their reproductive strategies. Some sponge species release sperm into the water column, a broadcast spawning event that relies on chemical cues to coordinate the timing of gamete release. The synchronicity of this release, guided by chemical signals, maximizes the chances of successful fertilization. Think of it as a massive underwater dating service orchestrated through carefully timed chemical messages. Furthermore, the social interactions between sponges extend beyond communication. Some species exhibit a degree of cooperation, forming complex aggregations or even fusing together to create larger, more resilient colonies. These colonies work together, sharing resources and bolstering each other's defenses against predators and environmental stressors. It's a bit like a group of apartments sharing a common utility system, only it's a colony of sponges thriving together. The social life of sponges is not only about communication and cooperation, but also competition. Sponges often compete for space and resources, sometimes engaging in chemical warfare by releasing toxins to inhibit the growth of their neighbors. This competition shapes their distribution and community structure, creating a dynamic ecosystem where peaceful cooperation and aggressive competition are intertwined. This hidden social complexity of sponges challenges our simplistic view of these seemingly inert organisms. Their sophisticated communication, reproductive strategies, and social interactions reveal a surprising level of intricacy and highlight the remarkable adaptability of life in even the most seemingly humble of creatures. The next time you see a sponge, remember it's not just a passive filter feeder, but a complex, social being with a hidden world of communication and interaction teeming beneath the surface. Their quiet lives are anything but dull. The silent city hums with unseen activity and subtle chemical conversations.